Ibadallah, for verily, for every household, and the one who's in charge of his household, and he is having the means financially, it's incumbent upon him to make a sacrificial, an udhiyah. على كل أهل بيت ذا ساعة أضحية في كل عام. He who does not sacrifice, Prophet of Allah, he said, فلا يقربن مصلانا. Let him not approach our musalla for Salat al-Eid. So it's incumbent upon you to sacrifice. And if it is the case, then the Prophet of Allah, he said, من كانت له أضحية فليمسك. He who has a udhiyah to slaughter, then let him abstain from cutting the nails, cutting the hair from anywhere, whether it's on the arms or in the mustache or between the legs. You're not allowed to cut the hair, or peeling off the skin. Even to peel off the skin is not allowed. From the moment we sight the moon of Dhul Hijjah 2 nights ago until your udhiyah is slaughtered, and it is haram for you to cut one of those. But if you've done out of forgetfulness, out of ignorance, no problem. If you have done because your udhiyah was not compulsory until today, because you did not have the financial, don't worry, start from today. And if you did it deliberately, you are sinned. But your udhiyah is accepted. Ibadallah, these are some of the etiquettes that we need to learn about the udhiyah. Now, I know that some of the udhiyah these days is very cheap. And even if you send it to Uganda, it's 38 pounds. But I would urge, just like I urge myself, the brothers and the sisters who are in charge, that to make udhiyah in their country here, for them to witness this sha'irah, symbol, from the symbols of Islam, and that is the udhiyah.